Have a problem.
Like a little marmot head.
It's too up, too high.
No, it's just a
Who's too high?
Your hand, because he's afraid of you.
Oh.
Yeah, just like that.
I'm afraid of him.
No, don't worry about it. You gotta wait until he knows you're not gonna hurt him.
Oh.
Yeah?
Are you gonna feed a monkey? Yes. Oh my God.
He's coming. You just need to be comfortable with that.
Come see me. Hi, sweet baby.
Nico.
Come see me.
Uh-oh.
If he jumps on my head, I'm gonna get really upset.
No, don't worry.
So I just need to keep my hand still so he knows that
Yeah.
he can just come
He's
see
looking at you, but
Hi.
he's afraid of you. As soon as you wait a little bit, he sits next to you.
smarter than he looks.
Yeah, exactly. I wish I had that fortitude. How long is it?
Yeah, make it easier for him. Right here.
How long does this thing record for, right?
Randy's the monkey
Yep,
whisperer.
right there. You got it. Let him go to your hand. Yep.
Randy's the monkey whisperer.
Oh, don't go away. Come see me.
That's someone else.
Is there another one?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
How long does this thing record?
Here.
There you go. Hi. Feeding a monkey.
Because he keeps eating the shit we keep giving him.